Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For locking the cell reference of a single formula cell, the F4 key can help you easily. Select the formula cell, click on one of the cell reference in the formula bar, and press the F4 key. Then the selected cell reference is locked.
Let's help you make your mark.
Select the formula cell, click on one of the cell reference in the formula bar, and press the F4 key. Then the selected cell reference is locked. Go ahead to lock the other cell references of current formula with the same step above.
Let's help you make your mark.
To pin data in the same place and see it when you scroll, you can freeze rows or columns. On your computer, open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Select a row or column you want to freeze or unfreeze. At the top, click View. Freeze. Select how many rows or columns to freeze.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.